The hands-on training helped me understand every concept that was taught because I'm a hands-on learner. The instructors contribute to almost everything, almost all our success. Every instructor I've had were very active into what we were doing. Every day I was enjoying my time being in class. I looked forward to it. The licenses that I've obtained here have helped tremendously, especially when it came to the Industrial Journeyman license and our Certified Electronic Technician certifications, and then the J Standard soldering certification. Any advice I'd give to someone that's interested in coming to WTI is take the tour, listen to your advisors when they give you the options. There's plenty of choices here at WTI that could be the right one for you. You just have to give it a try. You never know what you might like until you give it a chance.